Hi! In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 12, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access System. Now tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Keyboard. Following that, you need to access Theme section and scroll down to see all available ones. You need to tap on Show More at the bottom left corners, to access even more. When you're ready, just click on the best one for you. I will go with that one. Now manage key borders thanks to this switcher and save your new theme by tapping on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of mine has changed. But you can always customize it by accessing the same settings and tapping on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then tap on Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage key borders and tap on Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!